Alrighty, welcome back. A few weeks ago on Marketplace, I stumbled across a 1987 Kawasaki 300SX. This thing is a beautiful machine. It's got a full 30 horsepower and one cylinder. In this video, I'm going to see if I can turn a profit on fixing up this machine, painting it, and selling it. Yeah, we're going to take it out, see how it does. It's probably not going to run too great, but we'll take it out for the first little test spin and see what needs to be done to it. See you guys there. Let's do it. Alright, well, as you saw, this thing did not run too great. I've got a carb kit for this 300SX. We're going to take the carb out and plop this in. I always would see these things growing up. I always wanted to try riding one. So it was pretty cool the other day, riding this guy when it got on step for the first time. I think this is the air intake. Then we've got some fuel lines going towards it, and then this guy right here, which has like these thin little discs that we're gonna have to install. Alrighty, we got some carb cleaner. We're gonna give this thing a clean. Yeah, fires right up. Alrighty, she fires right up. So we're gonna put this little fume cover over it and get her on the water tomorrow. Let's do it. Alright. We're at Sand Hollow. We're giving her test number 2 with the new carburetor. Let's do it. Alright, new day. We're gonna take this grip tape off, kind of clean it up a little bit, take some of these rubber pieces off and get it ready to paint. I'm planning on painting it just solid white with the old stock colors, so we'll see how that goes. And we're gonna try and preserve this jet ski logo. Let's do it. A little bit of a pain in the butt. Jeez, it's dirty. Go. All right, boom. Not too bad. Going to prep this exterior, do a little sanding, and tape off anything I don't want to get paint on, kind of tape around the edges and stuff, and then start painting. Alrighty, there we go, prepped and taped off for painting, and we will resume that tomorrow.
You can spray paint without putting a mask on.
Yeah.
I feel like this is way overkill.
No, you can. Do
I have to wear this?
It's not great. Grace and I are set up. We're gonna put a first coat, a little paint and primer. We'll see how that goes. Yeah. Alrighty, she's all done. It's on. Alrighty, I picked up some Kawasaki stickers. I'm gonna slap these on. Sweet. Decals are on. We're gonna paint this 300 SX back on. SX, she's back. Start off with some grip tape next. Let's see how that goes. I've never done that before, so let's give it a shot. All right, it's February 1st. We're taking the 300 SX out. Ran really well. I went ahead and took a few photos, made a marketplace post, and next day we got a buyer. Alrighty, just sold it. Let's go break down the numbers. All right, time for the cost breakdown. Jet ski. Okay. That brings us to $647. We just sold it for $1,100. It comes out to $453. All right, labor. We have a total of 15 hours. Rough estimate that we spent painting it, prepping it, fiddling with it. That brings us to an hourly rate of $30.2 an hour. That is not bad. Not bad, especially factoring in I learned how to paint and repair a jet ski. Alrighty, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.